Hi everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Anu the Mua, where beauty meets simplicity. With Karwachauth just round the corner, I'm super excited to share this easy and elegant Karwachauth makeup look. Before we start, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I have already cleansed my face with a lightweight moisturizer to get that smooth, radiant base. So I'm using Lakme Absolute Gel Primer for a smooth and radiant base. Now take a pea-sized amount of primer, that's all you need. Gently dab it on your T-zone, cheeks and chin. Don't rub too hard. Use your fingertips to press it into the skin, especially where pores are more visible. I'm using Maybelline Newyork FitMe Foundation shade 230. That gives a natural glow. Blend it well with a makeup brush. Remember, less is more for this festive look. For eye look, I'm using NYS Professional Makeup Palette. Since I'm wearing a red saree, I'll keep it elegant with soft golden shimmer and a touch of red brown in the crease. Blend it out beautifully. And a thin winged eyeliner. Here I'm using L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Carbon Black to make your eyes pop and shine. For lips, I'm going with a classic red lipstick to match the saree, bold yet traditional. If you prefer something subtle, go for a red pink tint or a satin finish lipstick. So here I'm using a Makeup Fixer Natural from Swiss Beauty, setting everything with a dewy setting spray so the makeup lasts all night, even through those Karwachauth celebrations and moon rituals. And that's it, a simple yet elegant Karwachauth makeup look is complete, perfect for every woman who loves keeping it minimal yet festive. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more easy festive looks. Also tell me in the comments what color saree are you wearing this Karwachauth. Wishing you all a happy Karwachauth and lots of love.